Good morning. That's your squid. It is dark out, as you can tell. It's also raining. Life of a mobile repair mechanic. Like the postman, you gotta deal with the rain, sleet, snow, cold, dark of night. But it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I had to go do a diagnose on a 98 Chevy Cheyenne 1500. No crank, no start. Went out a few days ago, replaced the battery, and vehicle started up, had no issues. Post-diagnostic was good. Customer said everything was running fine, and last night he went to the mini mart, and when he came back out, the vehicle wouldn't start. And so we scheduled it for this morning for me to come out there. Got about a 45-minute drive to get to him. So let's get on the road in this lovely weather. See you there. Well, we just got here at the vehicle. We're going to get with the customer, verify the concern, and going to grab my diagnostic tools. Let you know that none of the diagnostic tools were given to me. I bought them with my own money. They're not sponsored by any companies and all that. So let's get the diagnostic tools and let's get going. First thing I want to do is verify the customer's current concern. Make sure that first thing I want to do is check the battery. I'm using here the Topdon BT600. We're going to test the battery. It's regular flooded. We're going to check the cold cranking amps, which is 700. Get that down to 700. You just want to verify that your battery is still good, even though this was replaced. Battery voltage is too low. Do you want to continue? Let's take a look at this. Charge on the battery is at 0. We have the only 82 cold cranking amps. Something happened with the battery, even though this is brand new and but the alternator was working. Let's find out what's going on. So we're going to see if we can get the vehicle jump started. Gotta make sure that, okay, let's get over here and get this started up. See if it'll start for us. Got 60 seconds. It wanted to start. It is running now. I want to hook up the battery, touch it back up to it as fast as I can. To see if that alternator is charging. Sorry, I'm doing this all by one-handed. Action. I think your alternator's gone. First thing you're ever going to want to do when working on a vehicle is remove your battery. Remove the negative first, and I always like to remove the positive also, so that way I have no power to the vehicle at all. Next thing I want to do is take off the alternator. You got the serpentine belt tensioner. Just loosen it up, and then we're going to strap the belt up to the hood to make sure it doesn't come off any of the other pulleys. These bolts right here, there's two of them. There's are 13 millimeters. You don't want to loosen these up. You also want to get stuff here out of the way. You also have your plugs back here, stuff you want to remove also. So whenever you're replacing any parts on your vehicle, whether it be an alternator or whatever, you want to make sure everything matches up from the new to the old, which this one does. So we will get this brand new one installed. This is new, not remanufactured. I've heard stories about remanufacturers here lately. Haven't even lasted 30 to 90 days on alternator, so I would suggest getting new. Once you get it all put back together, everything, you get it started back up. Make sure you do a post diagnose, make sure everything's working right, make sure the alternator is charging, which I did with that battery checker. It does have a feature on there to be able to test the alternator, which the alternator is working. Everything is working fine. Everything's connected back up. Tell the RPM gauge does not work. I don't know if they'll want to call me back out for that or not. So this vehicle is all done.